All right, so we're about ready to take the sink out, and this will get us up to speed as far as moving on down. Now, with this, we're not real excited about this. This tile is built up here.
Yeah.
So the cabinets were set down. What we're going to do is fill that in with plywood because the client wants to reuse this tile.
So we can bring it up to the same height.
Yeah. We're
Yeah.
gonna fill that up because look how much toe kick they got.
Yeah.
So we're gonna fix that. We're gonna fix that. So much so I don't even think we can get this dishwasher out.
No.
So we're gonna work our way here. We're actually gonna repurpose this sink, and so I'm about ready to be able to lift that up out of there, and then we'll be able to break the countertop down through there, get it up off there. That'll give us a little bit of room for the dishwasher. There's always two screws at the top of the I dropped a screw down in there. Not cool.
What? Sure. I don't think I can lock it.
Violence. I bet you can just lift that right here.
I need blue. I noticed earlier. No. There we go. Miracle.
Oh, it's stuck down?
Yeah.
Is it glued down?
See how it removes.
Yes. Yeah, maybe. Yeah. Nice. So here, check out the pole. And how this works, this is sprung up here. So you kind of push it up a little bit, and he has it compressed about an inch. So we set this laser. It really doesn't matter for the height. We just randomly set it. We want to get it close to 36 inches, but it doesn't matter because we're looking for our high spot. So I'm just going to come around here to the front of the tiles, and I'm going to measure. And that measures 38 3/8. Next tile over, just over 38, eighth under 38. The same. We're coming up now, so we got Now, mind you, the measurements are going to be the opposite since we're looking for a high spot. We're over 38, 38, 38. That's our lowest spot right there. So that means right through here is our high spot. So I'm going to have Harley throw that on a tripod, and we are going to dial this right here down to 36 inches. So he's going to adjust that level, our laser, so I can get this right on 36 inches. Since I know this right here is our high spot. Mm-hmm. Yeah. You saw that we set that at 36 inches. Okay, and we'll double check that. This is our high spot. So that's going to be the top of the countertop. We're going to come back here. And that is going to be our benchmark top counter. Yeah, we're down to 14.5 inches to the bottom of those cabinets. So that pretty much tells us where we need to be. We go up 18. So this may take a couple people to do. So I'm going to come down here and hit it right on that edge.
Yeah, it was right on. Was.
Right there, and then we need 48 3/8. So, yeah, well, Harley did pretty good getting that soffit cut up. Yep. Wanted all this out, but you know, this is actually doing finish the cut, so we're getting that right on for where it needs to be when we do the for the cabinets. Now, we do need to get the rest of the tile off. And it's coming up pretty easy. It's pretty shoddy work. And get this all opened up for the electrician. But yeah, here's the kitchen. Got all the paneling removed. We came up with a game plan as far as electrical. We got to add, I think we got to add like 4 circuits. We got, you know where we took the medicine cabinet out? Let me show you what we do, because they notch back into the studs. So we made these right here. It's just 1x. We ripped it 1.5 inches wide, and then we're down about 2 1/4. I do want to hit this right here a little bit. I don't know why. I need to take a straight edge across that. It feels like it's high right there, but this one turned out good. That one's really good. Let's take that one in, put it on. What we're doing. Okay, so what we got here, they've notched out for the medicine cabinet. So since we're putting drywall back up here, I made these right here. They slide over. So we go up in here. So all we have to do is pull it out a little bit and pull this out flush against the drywall.
Now
And
technically,
put some screws down through there.
yeah, if you wanted to make it 100% perfect, you could liquid nails in there and it would lock it all up.
Yeah, you could. Actually, that's a pretty good idea.
Well, it would
Because
fill
I got
that
this
gap.
pretty close to where it is. You could run a bead of liquid nail down through there. That'd be perfect. But the other one I've had to notch around this box right here. That one's out there on the thing. You saw me run a couple screws in it.
That is the best stud repair I've seen.
Yeah, so, and that's the issue. When you come in here, especially, we don't know what the person's going to do. We don't know how heavy of mirror they're going to put on. You know, we've dealt with some really heavy mirrors.
Well,
And we didn't, if you offset it, if we would have just stuck a board out here, you're running into a 3/4. I guess you could mark it right there, but this is the best option.
we've seen guys slap a couple pieces of 1/2-inch drywall on each side and call it good.
Yeah. So, yeah, let's get that put together, and then we'll have to put some backer over here to fix that. He's gonna throw that back up. I made him take it off. Of course, I did this here.